And they had the gutters done today, and the main issue was over the sunroom. There used to be a gutter across the entire width, and they were unable to get I think 6-inch gutter in there, or the 5-inch also didn't fit, so they just kept it short there. But my concern is all the water, which you can see the layout from the drone pictures, which I'll throw up online here in a bit. But you basically got all the water from the upper roof, which is now gonna pour into that downspout and just spill out like a waterfall onto the sunroom, which already gets, a little bit wet inside there during hard rains, drips through the roof. So I by no means want a constant waterfall happening because of that. But other than that, the gutters look great. Like, they're secured to the house so much better than they were before. And then this is the existing gutter that ties in to the sunroom. So this is what worries me, is that little gutter has now is going to take on all the water until they fix the rest of it. I did talk to him today, and we're gonna figure out something tomorrow, so I'm really not worried about it. Looks a heck of a lot better than the old stuff did, that's for damn sure.